Fine. I today will discuss about for this just a brief discuss yesterday class. Okay, what discussing happening. So the batch, the material is created and the recurring inspection is created. Correct, man? The recurring inspection is nothing but a predefined that interval like a every 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. We should be define the interval. Then we check the inspection the periodically, like a 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. So that we need to be consider that inspection lot from the quality side. Okay, that is the purpose. We need to check the inspection to the self-experience process purpose. In the pharma, chemical, food industry, we need to use the inspection process. Even the descriptive also use somehow the products. Okay, today today I will go and discuss for this process stock transfer process stock transfer process in SAP. Okay, stock transfer process we have a one inspection is there. That inspection is like a 8 inspection we have there. Okay, as of now we discussed about 01 and 001 and 3 and 04. 03 and 04 is a sales integration. Sorry, it is a production integration. And 05 is a without purchase order. This is other goods movement. And 06 is a customer return the process. Okay, this is sales integration. And 10 also sales integration parts. It is a customer with sales order. And yesterday we discussed 09. It is a recurring inspection. Today I will discuss 08. What is a 08? I can show you. What is that the 08 use of that? What is the stock transfer the process? Okay. Today we'll discuss this stock transfer inspections process 08. Let me go for the PPT, then I can go in the system. Okay. See what is this stock transfer the process? What is meaning for the stock transfer? Why we need to use the stock transfer the process from the quality side? Okay. You know the stock transfer is nothing but a one plant to another plant, and one material to another material, or one storage location to another storage location. Okay. For each process, we have a movement types are available. That movement we need to be considered to stock transfer. The movement we need to be use this inspection. Okay. What I'm saying that see the system creates an inspection lot automatically for the stock transfer. Material is moved from one storage locations to another within the same plant. We can use this 3-level movement. One storage location is plant, another storage location is a second plant. That is a 301 movement we need to be considered. And 303 also we have, that is a material to material. Plant to plant we need to be considered for that. And material to material we need to be considered that. And storage location to storage location we need to be considered for that. That is the movement types we have available. That I can show you in the system how it will be works in this SAP quality management site for the inspection lot will be created. Okay. When stock is transferred to posted for material, which QM is active, the system is a system created inspection lot the stock relevant for that. So this is a stock relevant because of we are moving the stock from one location to another location, one plant to another plant, and one material to another material. So that we have a stock relevant for this. In the real time, this stock transfer process, it will be done by MM people, okay, not in the quality people. The MM people will be do that stock posting accordingly. They will be decided. They will be move the stock posting. At the time you wanted to be check the quality, the particular inspection lot, that you can perform the results regarding usage decision accordingly for the particular inspection. That is the purpose we need to be do the inspection from the quality side. Okay. Now see the prerequisite for that. If any customization for inspection lot creation, inspection of goods, we need to be active the QMs, the movement types. If any customizing. So as of now, I am using the standard. The movement types already available in the system. We don't need to be do anything at all. The default SAP it will be provided. QM is active for the material. The inspection setup material master. The inspection type need to be active. The lot origin to active the 08 the stock transfer. The indicator is to the post to the goods. The indicator stock is a set. I can show you for that. Okay, how we can do that actually. Okay, this if you set up this stock will become to quality. I showed you in the starting class. Okay, let me go for system. I can show you where it is coming. That one. Okay, where the button is coming. Here I can go for SAP. I'm using for this material master. Okay, if you go this material, let me check this material is activated or not. See now the inspection type is activated. The inspection type is 01 is activated. 08 we are talking. 08 is not available. Okay. If you see this is I'm talking about post inspection stock post button. If you active this, stock will become to quality will become, then we can perform. If you are not active this button, it will be directly move to the stock is unrestricted area, but inspection lot will be created, but stock will be directly go to unrestricted area. There is no quality checks actually. The stock is directly go to quality unrestricted area, then quality not nothing to do that. Just you can perform the results regarding usage decision. That's it. The stock you are not moved to some location to another location, another plant to another plant. Actually, it's not possible. Okay. Now this is I will keep it as it is. Let me add for this our inspection is a 08. Okay. 08 is nothing but a stock transfer the process. See, stock transfer inspection the process. Okay. I'm going to this one. Most of scenarios only we can use this. This is not a use. Okay. You can go for this only 08 inspection. In the real time also they will be used. I'm active for this inspection type. If we active here, then only the inspection lot will be created. Otherwise, it will be not created. If you set up also here, no use. You need to be active here, then only the inspection lot will be created. Okay. Now I'm click on this check. Let's see. If I'm click on the check button, if I'm check if I'm click on the check button, see the immediately the stock posting button is active. It will become this is a configuration level we did. Now see this all it is not a coming. Why it is not coming? This is the configuration level we are done, so that it is not a coming. Suppose if you go for 01, if I click on the 01, see automatically it is coming the task list and automatic assignment inspection characteristics. That inspection plan is automatically created whenever required the inspection. Now in the 08 we don't need to be inspection to the results. We need to do the stock posting only. That is a stock posting the process we need to be concerned. If you want the results also, you can make it accordingly for the settings. For each inspection lot, you can set up for this. Then it will be created that inspection plan for that. Okay, as of now, I am not to do that. You can try one scenario. Then what is the status inspection lot will be? You can check it for that. Okay. Now I am doing for only for this inspection stock posting button. I can save it. Let me save it. I have done for the inspections to active for this 8 inspection lot. Okay. Now let me go for in the SAP this slide. See, this is what actually that indicator is a post the goods to inspection stock to set. We are setting for that button automatically to the configuration level we did for that. Okay. Now after this people, MM people, see here, the MM people will be people will be decided, material management people will be decided. They will be created actually stock the transfer the process. The stock is transferred, that inspection lot is automatically created. The inspection lot is automatically created. System created an inspection lot automatically when stock transfer is posted. Stock transfer is posted is a MIGO. Whenever posted the stock posting that at the time the inspection lot will be created automatically. That is called for 08 inspection. So we are active that 08 inspection, the stock transfer that 08 will be created in the system automatically because of we are set up in this background for that configuration level. One day I can explain all configuration. Okay. Well, where it is coming, how it is coming, and what are the inspection types and all I can explain. Okay. The system assign that inspection, the inspection specifications and the inspection lot. So we are not yet done for any specifications. We are not yet done any inspection plan. Just we need to check that actually the usages. If system can't find inspection specification or more than one inspection specification assigned the material. Okay. If you want it to be required, which is I showed you, in this place, if you want it to be required for this year, let me go this one. This, so I can put it in the default. Here, if you wanted that inspection plan for this particular 88 inspection, then keep it here. If you keep it keep it this, then the inspection plan will become. That is what actually telling about. If you don't want it, you can leave it for this. The inspection lot will be created. Then in the inspection lot, we can perform the usage decision, but we can't do the results recording. We can't do the results recording. If you are not active, this all things under, we can't do that actual results recording. That is what actually is telling about this point. Okay. So I am not done anything at all. Then the real time also they will not ask, because of that is a transfer one plant to one plant, another plant, another plant, using for that inspection order not required for that. Okay. This is all for master data. Okay, this is all from the master data. Once the dynamic modification is defined the inspection lab, and see that is that the results. This class I can explain the quality level and the dynamic modification rule. The coming class I can explain what is the dynamic modification rule, what is the quality level, how it will be works in the quality level. I can explain. After once inspection lot is created, then directly we need to do the usage decisions. Then we can perform that case actually. Okay. That I will show you in the system how to do this. This is all master data set up for this. From this is the all master data. Okay. How to work in this one. What are the master data? We need to be prerequisite for that. Okay. Now let me go for another slide. This is a prerequisite for this creation of the stock transfer. How to do this? See, the system creation of the inspection lot automatically for the stock transfer is the if following this condition below me. Okay, if you follow this condition, then inspection lot will be created automatically. That 88 inspection lot. Okay, this this if customizing for this inspection lot creation, inspection lot for goods movement in QM is active for the movement types, then it the inspection lot will be created accordingly that movement types. QM is active for that particular material. That means that inspection lot is settings this material master. Okay, that is a done for that inspection master where they activated for the inspection type is 0. If you active this inspection type in this 08, the stock transfer will be happen from the quality side. The indicator is a stock posting we need to be set. Okay, now let me go for this step. This step I will show you for that where it is coming the configuration level in this uh, the SPRO. Okay, let me see. Here I'm activated for the inspection type. Then I'm going back to the configuration. This is a configuration T code for the shortcut for the quality management side, QCC 0. Okay. If you want additional also available, QCC 1 also if you enter, let's see. Only this inspection, only the notification will be coming. If you go for QCC 2, let's see that and quality notifications will become others. Okay. If you go for QCC 3 is available or not, I can check it. 4 is a basic data will be come for that case. Okay, now if you want all configuration, go for this SPRO. SPRO, if you go, all configuration will be displayed from here. All module configuration will be displayed here. Okay, let me go for quality management here. Let me go for quality management here. This is our quality management. So that I'm using the shortcut is a QCC 0. Okay, this starting class I have explained. If you go for this, it will become direct level quality management only. Okay, I went for our quality management only. Let me check that where it is coming that go for quality inspection. Here quality inspection, we can check that quality inspection, quality lot creation. Okay, here inspection lot creation, and under we have a see here that inspection for goods movement is there. If I click on it, it is here. See, we have a goods movements are available to control the inspection lot origin. I'm double click on it. See here actually all movement types are available. I'm since from starting to talking this inspection types and movement types actually. These movement types we need to be configuration accordingly. It will become okay. Let me go for our movement types. What are our movement types? Our movement types is like a this one 311 and 301 and 303. Okay, these three I can go and I can show you in this configuration level is available or not. Let me go for 301. 301 is like a see. This is for all different stock types are available. The stock type based on the business requirement, they will be decided which is the stock type they want it to be required. They will be accordingly mapped in this. Real time they will be MM people will be take care of this. No worry at all. Okay. They will be assigned it. They will be give it accordingly for that. Okay. This 301 movements we have available. We have available. So we need to be perform the movement for that inspection. Again, I can go back. What is the one more our inspection? Our movement type is a 311, 311, no? 311 or 398. I need to check for that. This without this under we can't perform. See, this one I have a. There is no special stock I'm active. This I can take it for the example. I can show you in this testing the box. Okay. Let me double click on it. It will be see all detail will be come for this. This is all it is a coming to this people will be decided. People will be give the values of that case. Okay. This we need to use for the movement types. Okay. All movement types we have available. I'm not anything changing and I'm not changing. I'm nothing to deletion for that also. Okay. Let me go back. I can go for the process. Let me go for the process before I can explain this first process flow for that case. Here, see, if you take this plan to plan or storage location to storage location or material to material, we can consider this stock transfer the process. Stock transfer the process is the first step. It will be taken by this people. The people will be do the goods receipt posting by the people. Okay. People will be take the first step. People will be the posting the stock posting. Okay. People will be the to the stock posting either either 301 or 311 or 309 the movement. Okay. That I can show you the movement types how to do works. Okay. After that, immediately that inspection lot is came into quality. That once inspection lot is came, if you set up these results, you can perform the results recording. As of now, I am not done this results because of I am not active for this inspection results for the particular inspection. If you want it, you can active that inspection results that I showed you just now before start the class. That material specification and automatic assignment and characteristics that indicators we should be active. Then it is required to results recording. Okay, now I am not done for this. I am leaving to this results recording. The once results is done, then we can go for this usage decision is accepted. If you accepted, the stock is a posting like this. Stock is posting that. If you rejected, we can create the defect record. This is a separate process is there. We are concerned for this defect recording and notifications process is there. Then I can explain for this notifications process coming classes how to be created in the notifications process, how to we can close the notification process. This is standard notifications process are available. I can explain. Okay. As of now, I am going to be accepted only. I am not going to be rejected. If you rejected, you can create it a defect recording. This is a separate process. I can explain the coming class. Okay. Now we can go in the system. I can show you. This is a process flow, which is a stock posting to transfer the process. One plant to another plant. We can consider for that. And storage locations to another storage location. We need to be considered. One material to another material also we have there. Okay. Let me show you the two cases or one cases for understanding. Then you can practice other cases from your side. Okay. Okay. This is a configuration. Just I showed you where it is coming from the how we can map in this configuration level we see. This is actually automatic. The system will be giving for that SAP. If additional requirement is required, then we can go and we can do the configuration level. Okay. This is a all configuration about for that. Let me go for system. Then I can create an inspection log. Then we can see understanding the process for that, how to be created that inspection log. Okay. Now, now we are activated for this inspection. Type is a in the material master for this particular material. Correctly. For this particular material, this plant I am active for the inspection type is a 08. Here. The 08 I am active, but I am not done for this any characteristics. I don't want it to do results recording. I directly do the usage decision. Okay. Now this inspection type is activated. If you want, you can active from this here. So the second case I can explain. Leave it now. Second case I can explain another inspection that I can create and I can show you for that case. Okay. Now save it. Now no changes is happened. This material I am taking for that. Now what is the step is immediately the step is like a Once you have a set up this inspection, then you can go for the stock transfer the process. The stock transfer the process, it will be considered is a MM people. MM people will be created in the real time. See, MIGO. This is a MIGO. You can go for the stock transfer. Here, see, on stock cost, the starting class I have explained. We have a different are available. We are done with the return the process and goods issue and the goods receipt the process as of now. Now I'm going to this again. Again I'm going to this stock transfer the process. In the stock transfer is a process. Let's see if I'm click on it. Here actually the other it is coming. If you want it be another one, no, that is a different process to transfer from that one material to another material. Okay, leave it now. I'm going to the other. I don't have anything the documents and all. I can do go for this other. Here actually stock transfer the process movement types are available. Here if you select this, which is I showed you in this configuration level, all it is coming to from here. You see, all it is coming to from here. Now we are trying to do this actually. Which movement we can consider it? Let me add one movement here. Which moment? Just a minute. Okay, let me go for 311 here. Here. See here actually, I'm taking for the 311 movement. We have a three movements we need to be considered. One is at 301, 309, and 311. I'm talking about now 311. 311 is a the storage location, one storage location to another storage location. I'm using okay. This I'm considered for that. Let's see. See 311 movement will become okay. I'm selecting without any special start the button. I'm selecting from this again. I can go for inside. I can go for inside 311 here. I'm not selecting any special button here. See, I'm not selecting anything at all. I'm just selecting the 311 moment. Let me go for inside. Let's see. Here is asking for this actually. This is a from. This is a source. Which material to which storage location, the destination. This is called for destination. This is from the source. It is a from to address. From to address we need to be do that. From which material we are considered. This is our material which is I copied, which is I have saved, which is I have saved inspection type is 8, no, that inspection particular material you can take it. Okay, that material I'm taking. Okay, now I'm doing the stock transfer from one location to another location. One location to another location. I'm doing that. Okay, that is a movement type is a 311. Okay, now let me add this plant. Our plant is a 1710. I'm hit enter. Let's see what is the message getting. See, this is a material. The material is same. It is a picking because of we are trying to 311 movement. If you doing the material to material, the material number will be asked. That is a different movement. If you do this another plant to another plant, another plant to material will be another plant will be taking here. Okay, I will show you another scenario also. Now I'm taking to the one location to another storage location. Okay, now you can enter here. Our storage location is a 171A for this particular product. Now I wanted to this stock. Suppose this stock, I wanted to move this stock to another storage location. Transfer this another location. 1A, 1B I can consider. See, 1A, 1B I can move into this stock. Here actually the stock is available for this particular material, the storage location. This storage location to this storage location I want to be transfer the stock. The movement is happened or not, we need to see that. And before also I can show the MMBE. The stock is where it is lying in this system, where which location it will be showing in the system. Okay, let me enter. Before going, I can show you in this MMBE screen. Okay, let me go for MMBE slash O MMBE. If you slash O, the screen will be not erased. It will be go for the new screen. Here I am entering for this. That is the 1710 and 171A I am entering. Okay, I'm entering 1A, 1B. Let's see. Here actually, see, we have a moving the stock from this location, from this locations to another location. I can add one more one more, that work story location also I can add it here. Two story location I'm adding and just execution. Let's see. Now see, we have a, you can observe it here carefully. Here actually this is a one story location. 171A, 171B. From this storage locations to from this storage location, I will be move it from this location, to this location, from this location to this location. How much you want it to be required? Suppose in the real time they wanted actually the plant is same. The plant is same. Suppose in the Bangalore itself we have a one plant, but we have a different storage locations are available. One is that one is that in Marathal is there. One more is a, like a Whitefield is there storage location. From this location to that location, we need to be transfer the stock. Sometimes that cycles, for example, you can take the cycles. Cycle storeroom is in this Marathalli. We have a bulk of cycles are available in this store. But in the Whitefield, we don't have the cycles. The same cycle they will be not available. The cycle we need to be transferred from Marathalli to Whitefield. That is the purpose we need to be consider this stock transfer the process simply. Okay. Now I can go in the system. I can show you for that how to post the stock posting. See, now you can observe it here. This is a 10 pieces are available. Here is a 985 is available. I can take this batch for understanding. You can see. Okay, 985 and 10 pieces is available. Let's keep understanding for this. Okay, let me go for this batch. 2545, 2545, 2546 I can go, and I'm enter for the same the batch. Okay, let's see. Batch is same, but storage location I'm changing, but material also same. I'm not nothing to changing anything at all. Nothing to only the storage location because of this is a 311 movement. One location to another storage location. Okay, now let me go for this stock. How much stock you wanted to be required? How many pieces need to be required? I wanted to move to 10 pieces. I need to move to. Wait, it is gone for you. I need to be enter here the quantity is at 10 pieces. 10 cycles I wanted to move from this location to that location. Just keep observing, understanding the process. Okay. I am adding for the 10 pieces. If I am adding 10 pieces from here, actually it will be add the 20 pieces here. 20 pieces will be add because of we are not here. Come to here actually the quality because of quality inspection we are adding from this case. Okay. That is what actually it is come to here. Let's see. Let's see. Just check this. Okay, that is just warning message, no issue. Now see, I'm a I'm a posting now. I'm just checking and posting. I'm not entering anything details actually. I'm just entering this from location to another storage location. I'm enter that. I'm enter the stock how much you wanted to be stock is required. Okay, now let me see. I can check it again and post it. See the material document is a created 986 the material document is been created. 311 movement. Okay, if 311 movement it is a material document is created, let me go for and check. If we go and display, the material document will be displayed from here automatically. Then I'm execution for this. We see now from you can observe it here. See the destination earlier it was a available, now it is not available because of we are only moved to the stock is a from this location to this location. So now you can observe it. Here, one button is there, inspection button. If we click on this inspection lot button, that inspection lot will be created. Now, before going inspection, I can check the stock. The stock is come to quality or not for this 10 pieces with respect to the batch. Now, I went go for MMBE screen. I can refresh it. Keep observe it actually. The 10 pieces come to here. 10 pieces come to here. You can observe it here. Earlier, it was a see nothing is there for that. I moved to from the stock is a from this location, from that location to this location, from this location to this location I have a transfer. Now if you want this stock from quality is clear the stock, the after the stock will be moved to unrestricted area. Let me completed the process, then we'll be see this MMPE. Okay, now stock is lying in quality. You should be completed, then only the stock will be useful. Otherwise, it will be not useful. In the real time, they will be check the stock properly. Is the 10 cycles are properly is working or not? breaks, everything, they will be check it accordingly. They will move it to unrestricted area. Once move the stock is moved, they will be sell the customer. That is a customer process. We have a sales 10 inspection. If any problem is damage is coming, again that they will be return the process. That is a customer return the 06 inspection. That is what everything is a interconnection between is there. Okay, now it is available in the stock is 10 pieces. Now I need to move to the stock is a unrestricted area. If anything is damage is done, then I can move it to the block area. I can move to block area. As of now, I'm not to do this block area. Just I can go for accepted criteria. Let's see. Let me go for inside. Let me go for inside. If you click on this inspection lot button, the inspection it will be showing from here. The inspection lot is a this one. This is a our inspection lot. If you go and check this inspection is a created or not in this QA32 or QA33. It is a QA33 is a report. We can use it, but results recording we can consider is a QE51 and usage is a QE11. Okay. Let me go for 08 and our material is a which material? This is our this is our material. Okay. Now I can execute it today date only. Today date is a 23. Okay. Let me execute it. Now see, one inspection lot is created, but see the status is a REL status. Even I am not assigned for this particular material that inspection plan. I'm not assigned again. I'm going, but you can understanding the process. Okay, I'm not assigning any here this inspection characteristics and automatic and characteristics and all. If assign, it will be go to the status is a REL. It will be go to status is a CRD status. If you not assign this also, it will be go to release status. If you click on that, see, I can go back. I can go back. I can do the results. Results will be not allowed because of I'm not active for that one. See, the results will be not allowed. The results will be not allowed. If you the status CHRD also, the status is a created status also, it will be not allowed. But REL status also not allowed. What is the reason? The reason is like a the material master I am a deactive for that one. If you active, then status will be go to CRD status. Again, you can do active the inspection plan, then it will be works. Okay. This is very important in the real time. There will be so many getting the issues like this. Okay. You need to be resolve that issues. Now I'm not do that anything results recording because of I'm not done any results recording. Directly I can make it the usage decision. I can go for the change mode. I can check in the usage decision. Now see, now earlier it is a stock posting one button, characteristics button is available. But because of we are not done any results recording, so that it will be not showing here. Okay. Now we have a stock posting. One stock last inspection lot stock button is showing because of this is stock posting required is required for that is work. Okay. Now I can go for this accepted criteria. I can go for the accepted criteria. If you go here, here actually 10 pieces is there. If you select this manually, either you want it to be unrestrict or a block area or return to the posting, whatever you want it to be make it for that accordingly to be posting. Now as of now I can do the accepted criteria, the unrestrict area, just hit enter, let's see, hit enter and save. Stock posting is confirmed and usage is in inspection is created. Let refresh it. See the status is a UD is a completed, that is a okay. The UD is completed, stock posting is completed. Now let me go for this MMBE. Simply I can go for MMBE. I can check the stock is a from this stock it will be moved to or not in this place. I can do that. You can see the 20 pieces came here because of 10 pieces earlier there. One more 10 pieces is adding here for this batch. This batch it will be adding the total is a 20 pieces. You can observe it, right? From this location to this location I have transferred the pieces is came into the storage location, 10 pieces. The 10 pieces came into the picture, the quality. Then quality people will be confirm everything is done quality side, there is no issue. Then they will be selling this quantity from to the customer. They will be useful for this quantity. We are taking for this 20, 30, 40 pieces. For example, like that, 20 cycles or 30 cycles, 40 cycles for the manufacturing. they will be considered like this. Okay, that is what actually we are consider this values from this SAP side. Now see, this is a one process is a 3 level. 3 level is a one storage location to another storage location. I explained. One more I can explain for that inspection process. Let me go back. Let me go back again. I can create the starting from that. Let me go back here. Again, I can go for me go. See, now I can do this MM02. I can explain for that what is the main difference between for that case. Not in this material. Uh, one plant to another plant, right? Let me check this plant. I can use this another plant. Each plant we need to be considered. 1 minute. I can take that one plant understanding 311 and 114. Okay, 114. I can check it. Let me go for inside. I can check this. Inspection type is activated or not. Here, see, inspection type is activated. Inspection type is activated. I can explain for this another plant, one plant to another plant or another material. Okay, how to do that? Okay, material. I can explain for that. See, this material for this inspection, 08 inspection, they are active. See the task list and the automatic assignment and characteristics. The stock posting also available. Let's see. I created for this inspection, and also I will move to this. I will move to from one material to another material. Which movement we need to be considered, I can show you for that case. Okay, let me go for me go. I can go for this me go. I will show you for that. Okay. Now see, you can observe it again. I'm trying to the stock posting again with respect to one material to another material. One material to another material. See, you can consider for this 303 movement. Okay, one plant to one plant. You know the storage location. Which moment material? Okay, 311. You can consider this one. One material, one plant to within the plant to plant. But we can consider the material. Okay, let's see. I'm going this 303 movement and I'm entering for that. For this is a old material. This is a old material. Just now I created this material. From another material need to be moved to the stock. Okay, let me go for and I can use for the same plant and I can consider for this plant. Let's see if I enter it within the plant, it will be coming up. Let me go for 309 minute. Again go back. Again go back. Okay. Let me go for this moment type. Okay, 309. See, here I am entering for this material. 309 is a material to material. Sorry, not in the 303. It is a plant to plant. Okay. Let me adding for this plant and storage location. I'm not entering anything the destination fields. Let's see. It will be asking or not. See. Now it is asking for this material. Which material to move this stock from this material to another material? Which material you want it to be moved? I want it to be moved is a 114 material. I'm consider for that case. Okay. 114, right? 114. Yeah. 114 I'm consider it. Understanding for that. See, now hydraulic acid is a our new plant. This is a nitric acid is a another plant, old plant I'm using. The old plant I have done for this inspection. The date from one storage location to another storage location 311 movement, but storage location is the same. Now storage location is same, but I have changed the material from this material to this material. From this material to this material, I wanted to be stock moved to the and I wanted to be required the stock posting. I wanted to move the stock posting. Let's see. I'm adding the same batch number, which is I tried it. I can just enter and check it. Order quantity is the delivery completed indicator or final issue indicator missing. Okay, where is this? Okay, I am not enter the any stock. I can enter the stock is a 10 pieces again. Let's see. And go for web and partner material posting. See, I'm just enter for the quantity. and I'm giving this old plant to this new plant. This old plant to new plant is a movement type is a 311 and 309. Okay, 309 we can consider. I can check it for this. See, the document is okay. Inspection lot also it is be created. That one message is a quickly to gone. Okay, now see, for this material to this material, from this material to this material, inspection lot will be created or not. We need to see that. I am not to do that anything, but we have both inspection type we are activated for that. Both both material we are activated the inspection type. Correct, na? See, let me post it. Let me post it. The document is created. Let me go for QA 32. Before going 32, I need to check that actually stock. Let me go back. I can refresh it. This is our storage location, is the old storage location. See, the 10 pieces is a gone. That unrestricted 10 pieces. Earlier it was a 975 is there. You observe it or not, I don't know. You can observe it actually. This 975 pieces are available. Now actually 965 pieces came. The remaining 10 pieces where went actually? It went to for this another plant. I can open this one more slide for understanding. Slash O MMBE. I can show you for that. This is very important MMBE. Every time you need to check that actually. Stock posting at the time. Now see the 10 pieces here actually came because of earlier 10 one more 10 pieces are available, so that it will be showing the 10 pieces. Okay, now here how to I'm telling this 10 pieces move to from here. How to moving that? We have a, you can observe it here carefully. Here actually I can go in the inside. I can check the material document. You can click on the right click. You go for material document. In the material document, I have done this 309. 309, which is a material document just now I posted. This is a 969 material. 969 material. It will be created from this 309 movement. How much pieces I have a delivery? 10 pieces move to this quality. The 10 pieces came into this quality from particular that material. Which is the material I am considering it? This material. Where is that one? Here only, but I am using for this one. Okay, now here actually that is what actually I identify for this material document we have it generated. If you double click on it, it will go for inside the document. You can check that which material you are using to try and which material use stock transfer is happening, and inside you can check it that inspection lot also button is we have available here. Here this inspection lot button is available. If you click on this, this is our movement, our material document has been generated. See, this is a stock posting is open. Now see, you can observe it. CRT status is available. Okay, now I can go back. I can go for the results regarding for this inspection. I'm as it is, keep it this two screen as it is. The stock is lying in the 20 pieces because of we are considered is the 10 pieces. Earlier it was there in the 10 pieces, so that it will be there. Now where it was available, the stock is a 975 for this particular material. Now it was a move to from this material. From this material move to the stock is a 10 pieces with respective 309 movement. Okay, let me go for in this inspection lot. I can show you how to this inspection lot is created. Now, what is the T code? QA32 go the 08 inspection. I can use for today date is 23. Let's see. I'm not entering any details under here actually. See, one lot only it is came because of where a one more lot also we are done that is already UD is completed. Today is the date I given, but UD is completed. So I'm not selected for UD, only whatever that status is REL and the creator status only I'm done. Okay, now see, you can observe it. I don't want it to this, you will be confusing. You can select it this, only today date will become. Now see, for this inspection lab, it is created for the CRD status. Why it is a coming to CRD status? Even if you go for this material, if you go this material, we can see that I have a, again I'm showing that actually here actually that is a inspection task list is there, automatic assignment is there, inspection characteristics there. Why didn't I not pick that inspection plan? Why did not pick the inspection plan for this particular material? So because of, let me go for inside, I can check that inspection plan is available or not for that case. Okay, let me go for inspection plan QP02. I can go. what is our material? 114, and plant is a 1710. Now see, you can observe it here. We have a hydraulic acid is the description for that group number 3. Under we have a one group counter 1 and group counter is 2 is there. But see, the usage is a 5 is there. Usage is a 5. We are doing the stock posting, not goods issue, not goods receipt. We are not doing the goods receipt. If you're doing this usage the stock transfer, then you can make it for this actually 9 material check. Then material check only, then automatically it will be picking that inspection plan. Okay, I will give you for that coming classes for each inspection type which group it will be picking, which task list type is required, which is a status need to be required. What are the prerequisite I can give you for that case. Okay, now the material check is not available, there is no inspection plan for that, so that it will be not showing for that case. Now, if you want it to be created, the material check can create it, or else you can go for that existing inspection plan, you can use it. How to use it, that existing plan I can tell you for without 9. Okay, now let me go for that inspection log. This is our inspection log. Okay, I can click on it. Here I'm the change mode, change the data for the inspection. Here you can click on this button, inspection log. If you click on this inspection log, now see, the status is a CRD status is there. Again, I'm explaining last class or further class. The previous class I was explaining for this. What is the status CRD? Then how do we can make it further? Okay. Now see, if you go here, if I go here, see automatically 9 is coming. Usage because of 9 there is no inspection plan available. There is no 9 is available as of now. Okay. If I'm assign it here, click on it. Let's see, it will be asking, it will be assigning or not. We can see. See, no inspection plan could not be found because of for this 9 usage, for 9 8 inspection lot we can consider is a 9, that is a material check, so that it will be not available, so that it will be not picking. So there is no usage is a 9, then whatever there in the 5, the 5 is available no usage, you can consider for that as of now, no issue. Then that all characteristics will be pitching from accordingly that inspection plan for this particular material. Now see, I'm click on this task list specification button. If I'm click on this, because of two group counter is available. Group is only one, but group counter is 2 is available. Which group counter need to be required to further picking? The real time they have a multiple group counter is available. They will be define the key date accordingly. It will be picking. So now I'm taking for this second or first one, no issue. Let me take it the second one. Now see the task list in the inspection plan 3 was assigned to inspection plot. Okay. Now I'm going to the samples. If you click on the samples, the sample will be calculated. Sample will be calculated. The starting class I have explained how it will be calculated because of in this inspection plan that characteristics the sampling procedure will assign, the sample will be calculated. The fixed they are giving 100% or 100% they are giving 100% will be calculated. Okay. Now see, the sample size was a calculated. Now the still the status is a CRD status is there. If I am saving it, then the status will be changed. CRD to REL status will be changed. Then you can perform the results recording. It will be allowed. Let me refresh it. See, if I'm refresh it, then the results, the REL status will become. Now go on the results. You can make it the results. Now see the results. It is coming to here. So I don't want it to be enter the results. You can do it the results. I can skip the results. Then go for the use edition directly. Okay, now go for the results recording. You can do the results recording. Now see, I am not done any results recording. Giving skipping for that. Okay, now go for the see in the last inspection lot for that particular material. There is no button. I explained for this. No characteristics button because of I am not active for this inspection plan and everything in this material master. So now it is coming. The inspection plan is came, but we have some characteristics are available. Some characteristics are available. That characteristics we need to be performed accordingly the results record. But I am not done for the results recording for these particular specifications. I'm a skipping for that one. Okay, let me go for that usage decision. If you go for usage decision, this button is asking. This message is coming because of still we have a some inspection results are open. Do you want to the force? Do you want to the force inspection completion? Yes. If you do the force completion, then automatically do that is inspection is a results we need to be skipping. Okay, now accepted. Now I am accepted. Stock I wanted to move to 10 pieces to unrestricted area. I wanted to move to unrestricted area. Let's see. Now see this usage decision is completed. Stock also posting from this from quality to unrestricted area. Quality to unrestricted area. I moved it for this. Okay. Now for this particular material, let me check in this MMBE. Let me go for MMBE. Let's see this 10 pieces. From this 10 pieces, it will be moved to from here. 945 is there, right? Now 10 size will be adding from here. 10 lot size will be adding here. Let's see. 945 and 10 is a 955 will be adding here. Let me refresh it here. See 955 is be adding here. So the 10 pieces will be using from this material to this material. We are trying to execution the 311 moment. If you see, if you click on this right click on it button, if you go inside, see, now earlier 3 not main movement is there. Now that is a 10 pieces. Now 10 pieces is a minus to unrestricted area 321. If you click on this, one more document has been generated here. One more document has been generated. 10 pieces is came to unrestricted area. Here you can go here. We can check it. Where it is that one? Here 321 movement to quality to unrestricted area moved. From that this material to this material I done the stock posting. After once the stock is came to quality, the quality will be performed the 321 movement. 321 movement will be happen to quality to unrestricted. So this is a stock transfer the process with the movement type is a 309. One material to another material. And one storage location to another storage location we can consider is a 311 movement, and 303 is a plant to plant, one plant to another plant. You can try for that case, okay? Then will be idea get it, okay? See, just now I explained 311 is like a storage location, okay? Storage location to another storage location, and 3 3 303 309 is like a material to material, material to material, and 303 is like a it is complex. 303 is like a plant to plant. Yeah, plant to plant or plant to another plant. You can say plant to another plant. So this is the movements we need to be considered for. 311 I explained and 309 I explained. You can try it to 303 plant to plant. Plant to plant means I'm using 1710 plant and another plant is MAR1. You can try it to for that. It will be works that this movement. Okay, this two movement you can try it from that. It will be works that. This is a stock transfer the process we need to be considered as usual in the SAP standard the process. So do you have any questions from this stock transfer the process? Please ask me, then I can clarify on that. So do you have any questions? Okay. There is no questions. Yesterday I have a pending one, deadline monitoring program. Just the background job I am not explain you. Okay. Just I can explain you for understanding. Please see. Yesterday I have done for this QS07. This is a deadline monitoring program, correct? That inspection lot has been created. How to be set up in the background job, I can explain for that now today. Okay, let me go here. I can give it here. I can give it for this plant. I'm executed. Let's see. I'm going to be here. I was created this variant actually. Yesterday I was created variant. Okay, here need to be go for variant. I can created variant is a recurring one I created. Recur and test I can create it. Recurring inspection I can create it. Recurring recurring inspection, recurring test I can create it for this. Okay. See now background job how to be set up. I'm explaining for this. Yesterday, we showed you this process. Let me go for here. I'm saving it here. This is our variant name. Okay. I have created variant name and variant name is done. Now let me go for this here. One option is there. You can execute the execute in the background. If you execute the background, then go for your properties. Here properties, can click on this all properties. Okay, school request everything. You can click on it here. See here. If you click on this immediately that you want it immediately or date and time or after job we need to be select for that. I need to be do this immediately. If you do this immediately, what is the periodic you want it to be required? You can click on this periodic. If you click on this periodic, check the periodic values here. If you click on this periodic values, you see you wanted to that inspection every hour or daily, weekly, monthly, other period we need to be selected. Now I wanted to be selected weekly. Weekly, whenever created the inspection lot, automatically in the background it will be created. We don't need to be run the QH07. Okay, now I have a setup the weekly. Then I am saving it. I'm saving it and I can check it and save it. Now see that background job was a schedule in the program. This program name, the background job is a created. Let me check in this, how to be check in this background job. Let me go for SM37. Here I'm giving my ID. Okay, just I'm giving the badge job. Okay, let execute it. Now see, yesterday I done for this. This is the one is a finished. Today I may created for this. Which is a date? Today is a cancel one. What happened? No batch is a work in this. Okay, I was active the batch. Okay, so that it was not getting. So today, yesterday I was created. See, this is like it is coming. This is like it is coming. That the release status will become like that. If you run this, that immediately that inspection lot whenever do this background, that automatically inspection lot will be created from that case. So if you click on this, we click on this, all details will be come from this here. Job log all details will be come. Select this one. We go here. This is okay. This is not important from this real time. Sometimes the background jobs need to be required. We need to be accordingly do this actually. We need to go for SM37 and we need to run that background jobs on that. Okay. Each background jobs we have a program name is there. That program name we need to accordingly fix in the system. Okay. Just understanding I showed you and I will provide you this document. You can go through it. Okay. Then okay, don't be confusing. Leave it for this. Okay. We'll see for that how to be created in the background job. I just explained that process. Okay, for this stock transfer the process and this background jobs process. The tomorrow I will be explain another process inspection whatever the pending under. Then we can go for that notifications process and we have a quality certificates. Then I can go for this some one day the Fury and some configuration parts. Okay, Fury also the same similar you can execute it there. All which is I am trying to that same. I can show you one class for that separate Fury and the configuration. Okay, after I can show you for that. Okay, hope you clear this process, stock transfer the process, or do you have any questions on that?